Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use My English Lab to do your homework. So if you don't know how to log into My English Lab, you need to watch a different video. Here I have already logged in and this is what I see. So here I have My English Lab for my different courses. Depending on which class you take, you will see something different. If you are taking beginning grammar, it's this red book. If you are taking intermediate grammar, it's this black book that says 5th edition. If you are taking advanced grammar, it's this blue book. So for beginning grammar, I am going to click this. All right, so now I entered My English Lab. So if I want to see my homework, the easiest thing to do is click Assignments. Okay, if you are only taking one course, it will show up right away here. If you are taking more than one course, you need to choose the correct one. Okay, so for beginning grammar, I have this assignment using the simple present, chapter 3. Exercise, grammar and writing 1. Okay, so if I want to do this assignment, I can click open. All right, then I can choose the answers I think. Right now I am just choosing any answer. Okay, and when I'm finished, I can click submit. If I click save, it will save my answers, but it will not send it to my teacher. So I should click submit. Okay, now it shows me my answers. The green ones I got correct, I got right. The red ones are wrong. And if I want some information, I can click this little bubble, speech bubble, and it gives me an explanation why. Okay, when I'm finished, I can either click try again and do it again, or I can click exit. Okay, so if I don't find my homework in assignments, maybe it's because I am doing it late. Then I need to go find it in course. So make sure you choose the correct class at the top and then choose the correct chapter. So let's look at chapter 3. Okay, then choose the correct section. This is grammar and writing. Okay, and then it says here assigned. So I can click that. And if I click continue, I will see the same exercise. To leave, I can click exit. So it's always easier to go to assignments, but if you cannot see your homework in assignments, you can always find it in course, as long as you know which chapter and which exercise. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to see which exercises you already completed. For that, I can go to Gradebook. Okay, so when I first get to Gradebook, it shows me for each chapter what my overall score is. And I can see I completed 1 out of 1 assigned exercise here and none of the assigned exercises for chapter 1. If I want more detail about which specific exercises I did or didn't do, I need to click the correct chapter here. So I'm going to click chapter 3. Okay, and it tells me I did 1 out of 1 for grammar and writing, but it still doesn't tell me exactly which exercise. So I need to click the correct section. Okay, and then it will show me I did grammar and writing 1 and got 50%. All right, that's it for now. If you have more questions, ask your teacher or the Adult Education Office for help.